Hi guys, I just finished my workout. Just wanted to stop by and give you guys a 2-week update on the harvest garden. I'm so exhausted. So here it is, guys. That is the basil. It's growing like a weed. And the dill, a piece of the dill broke off, but it's still growing good. The curly parsley, I don't know if you guys could see that in there. It's a little bud, it's growing. And I never told you guys that each pod has like a time frame where it says like how long it'll take. It says it sprouts in 21 to 28 days. We know that it's been about 2 weeks. Here is the this is the Genovese basil, and that is the Thai basil. Thai basil is growing really well, as you can see. We still have no action from the thyme. And there is the mint. And it says the thyme sprouts within 7 to 14 days. Hopefully it'll start sprouting soon. So yes, guys, I just wanted to come to you with a 2-week update really quick on the harvest garden. And I'll be posting more videos. I'm about to do a video in a little bit. And I hope you guys are staying safe. I had to blow out some steam and work out for a little bit on my my little tread. I don't know if this is called a treadmill or not a treadmill, but it is a like a little, what is it called? Elliptical? I don't know. I can't remember the name of it, but I was going on that real hard. So guys, I just want to tell you peace, love, and happiness, and keep your energy good. Stay away from toxic people and let go of people that no longer serve your good. I love you guys. Peace and blessings.